Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to take a look at unique security and privacy features of elementary OS 8, and of course we will check out the kernel version also. So kernel version is very important for security because what happens is whenever the newer kernel is introduced, it has got newer drivers. There are security patches that are applied in the newer kernels, so it increases the performance of the system as well as increases the security of the system. So elementary OS 8 is using 6.8.0-50 generic kernel from Ubuntu. It is a preempt dynamic type of kernel and it is used in the symmetric multiprocessing type of CPUs. You can see here it is shown the complete name of the kernel that is default in elementary OS 8 is shown. Now I will close this. You have to open the settings and go to security and privacy. So here in the history section, you can see it will fetch the history from different data sources. For example, chat logs, documents, music, pictures, presentations, spreadsheets, and videos. So you have option to remove the data sources for the history, and also you can specify which applications that you don't want the data to be collected from. So you can add any application. For example, I don't want the data collection from calculator, so I will just add the calculator for not collecting data. You can add as many of applications you want and you can remove them. So for example, if I want to remove the calculator, I have to click on the minus sign and it will get removed. So this is very important because what happens is if you are doing some secret work, secret means very personal work, and you don't want that work to be tracked or data regarding that work to be collected, then you can use the history feature and configure it for the specific applications so that your data, personal data and privacy is safe. Now locking. So here you can lock your desktop, lock on suspend, lock after screen turns off, and forbid new USB devices when locked. So many times what happens is your desktop is locked, but you can access, anybody can access your system via the USB devices. So for that, this feature forbid new USB devices when closed is there. So when you, by default this all three are on only. So this forbids any new devices to be added to the system when the desktop is locked. Then you have got an inbuilt firewall. So by default the firewall is turned off, but after the first boot you have to enable this. It's very easy. First you have to unlock it. You have to provide your sudo password. Now you can enable it. That's it. And you can add the different ports that you want to allow the network traffic to pass through. You can also switch between IPv4, IPv6. You can tell the direction, inbound or outbound traffic. You can specify the ports. You can allow or block, deny, reject or limit the traffic via certain ports. You can specify the protocols for the ports, for example TCP or UDP, and you can also add rules. So that's very pretty standard firewall configuration. Now what we'll do is we'll go over to housekeeping. In housekeeping, you can automatically delete the downloaded files. You can automatically delete old temporary files. You can delete the screenshot files or the trashed files. So for each you have to specify how many days after that old files will be deleted. So there are 4 sections, and the action common is you can specify the time after which the files from that each section will be deleted, that is download, temporary, screenshot and trash files. So I've set it for 30 days. You can specify any number of day that you want, and system will automatically clean those files. For example, I have kept the trash files option on, so after 30 days the trash files will be removed automatically from the system. And you can also open trash from here. Only trash is available, you cannot open the screenshot files. Yes, you cannot open any other except the trash file. So you can open the trash can from here. Now let us go over to location services. So if you want to have an increased privacy, you don't want any applications to track your location, then you can switch on the location services. So location services, I have enabled it, you can see here, and you have to add applications that you want, you want the applications to track or determine your location. So by default no applications are using the location services, but I have enabled the location services. So since the desktop is new, not many applications can be seen here, but they might it might get populated when I use, and in certain usage conditions some applications might use or get access to my location, then those applications will be shown here. So these are the privacy focused configuration or security features available for the users, plus the latest kernel from Ubuntu is used, so that also fortifies the system against malware. And for privacy, these are the features that are available for the user. So these are very unique features that are available in elementary OS as compared to other Linux distributions. So now we will stop the video here. See you in the next video with some more features and you can say usage of elementary OS. So we will try out the different use cases of elementary OS, where elementary OS can be used, and many things are there that we can check out. So I will stop the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.